Hi, welcome to Formatutes. So today we are going to discuss about how to generate report for a particular assignment or a question in a Google Classroom. So in the last video we have explained how to use Google Classroom. So what and all we can do, how to join, create a classroom, how to join classroom, how to assign assignments for a particular class, and even how to correct assignments. So this all we have seen in the last video. So if you're not watched the last video, please go back and watch it and come back here. So let's start the tutorials. So what do you need to do? First you should log into your class Gmail account, then you should go to Google Apps. Then so when you click on this Google Apps, so at the right corner you can see Classroom. So just double click on this Classroom, or you can go to Google and you can type classroom google.com. So whichever you want, you can choose it and your classrooms will open. So if you want to create new, you can go for here plus icon is there, and you can create class, and for students they can join class. So now we'll see how individual class will look. So let's open this one of the classroom. So you can see four options here, and also it will show what are the upcoming any dues you have. Work is there, no work due soon. So you are not given any work for a particular class. So there's no due today. There is no due. And we'll see what are these four options. We'll say in the stream section you can do announcement by typing. You can improve your communication with the students directly. So you can just type and you can post it, and even you can attach a file. If you go here you can attach a file. So in stream section you can directly communicate with the students. You can make announcement, you can ask questions also. So next, classwork. When you go for class, click on classwork, you can see the plus icon here. When you go there you can create new assignment. Even you can see create quiz, you can ask question, you can share material, and even you can see what are the assignments you have given. So these already given assignments, when you click on that you can see how many students you have assigned. So you can view assignments, what is the assignment you have given. So in that you can see how many you have assigned, how many have turned in means how many have submitted, graded 2 means how many you have corrected and written the assignment. So this is how the classwork page looks, and even you can sort the student name by last name, first name, or status on which by which they have submitted the assignment. So and when you can also see what are the grade points you have given, and you can edit whenever you want. So these are the settings you can make, and now we'll see yeah. So now we'll go back, and then next we have people section. So here you can see who are the teachers, and even you can invite co-teachers and even invite the students, and you can see how many students you have in your classroom. And in the grade section you can see what are the grades you have given. So how many assignments you have given, how many you have corrected. So when you give grade, then only it will show here, otherwise it will not show. So now we'll go back to any assignments which student have submitted. Also, and even you can see three horizontal line here. When you click on this, and you can see what are the classes you have, what are the to-do list, what you need to do. When you go for to-do list, it will show all the assignments for all the classes. So it is very difficult to see all the, see it will show for all the years. So I have four classrooms. It will show four classroom assignments if you go here. So and it will also show how many you have reviewed, how many you have completed, how many you need to review. And in here also you can see turn in means how many you have submitted, assignments how many you have given assignment, graded means how many you have corrected. and how many you have written without giving grade. So if you are not giving any grade, then it will simply show written. If you are giving grade, then it will show graded. So these all options are there, and in go for any other classroom, if you want to choose, you can choose. So now you want to create a report for a particular assignment. So just to go for classwork, and you can choose whichever the assignments. Here so many assignments are there, you can choose whichever you want. Let's choose this one. So here you can view assignment what you have given, and also you can see how many have submitted, how many have assigned, how many you have graded. So if this assignment already I have corrected, so I can take the report. If I have not corrected the assignments, then it will not show any grade or marks for a particular assignment. So first you need to correct the assignment. After correcting, you should return with some grade. If you are giving any grade, then only you can generate, but when only the report you can do report. So now we'll see, by clicking on this, you can see how many you have, they have submitted. And when you clicking on this, you can see how many are not submitted. And when by clicking on this, how you can see how many are graded. And even you can see how much marks that particular students has given. And even it will show if you are giving any due date and time. It will show if they are submitting late, means it will show they have done late. So these all you can see here only. But how to convert into a report? So what you need to do is, just when you go into the student a particular assignment. So see here we are looking for the first sessional assignment. So we'll see now what to do. So in the right corner you can see setting button. So just click on that button and you will get three options. So when first option is copy all grades to Google Sheets. So click on that. So when you click on copy all sheets, means it will copy all the assignments. Anyway, you want only particular assignments of first session, but it will select all the assignments. See in the Google Sheet, you can see it is showing the classroom, and it is showing how many assignments. So these are the assignments which you have given. See, these are assignments and these are grades. So it will also show what is the particular grades which students have taken. So now, but we need only first sessional assignment report, right? So we don't want other. So what we can do it, we can select anyone. So this one we can leave, and remaining this all just Excel work. So just go to this and you can delete, or even you can hide the column. So just delete it. So whichever report you want, you can keep it. So rest all you can delete it. Yeah, you will just delete, and you can do settings. See, you have these columns have merged. So you can just delete those columns. Anyway, it is Excel work. By mistake, if you have deleted, then you can just do undo. So delete this column. So I need this column. I don't want to need this column. So I can delete this. So just delete column, and you can set the column width, row width, however you wish. Yeah, you can do it, and you can, yeah, this how's the report looks. This you can do, this simple Excel settings you can do. And here you can see what, so in here it will show Google student last name, first name, email ID, and it will show what is the percentage they got and what is the marks. So here on June 6th, assignment has given, assignment name is first sessional, and this is the assignment marks or grades, and this is the average class average. So out of 30, so average of class average is 25. So this is how the report is looking. So now what you can do it, just go for file section. So here you can file section, you can, what you can see, you can just download the file, you can mail as an attachment, you can send a mail, and even you can rename the file. So file name will be grades of what are the class name, section, and date will be there. So you can do rename, and even you can add to the drive. So first what we'll do, we'll download it as a if you want you can download as Excel. So I prefer PDF, so we will download it as a PDF file. So now the PDF file is open, you can just do some formatting to decorate your report, show grid lines, show notes, and you can choose instead of landscape, I prefer portrait. Yeah, now the report looks nice, right? So this is how the report is generated in when you go for the first section, that is when you go for copy all grades to Google Sheets. So you have another two option, that is download all grades as CSV. So in this now it will directly download as a Excel sheet. So here you can see the report is downloaded. So in this report what will be there? So just open that file, you can see student name, first name, last name, email address, and what are the assignments, and what is the date, and what is the marks. So this is given for all the session assignments, and it's, you can do Excel work, you can delete whichever you want, and you can select whichever you wanted to. So when you go for the next one, last one, download these grades, it will download only the assignment which you have selected. Now you have selected only first sessional, so now when you go for last option, so then it will download only the particular assignments which you have selected. So open that file. So in this session, additional two columns you can see, that is assignment status and the comments. So particular student email address, grade, and assignment status, and comments for particular assignment. So here you can see returned is the return means you have corrected and returned the assignment to a particular student. Here unsubmitted means you can they have submitted the assignment but you have not returned them. Not done, not done means you can, they have not submitted the assignment. Yes, so these all you can see when you choose the last option. So I prefer the first one, that is the copy all. So this one, first one, copy all grades to Google Sheets. When you do this, you'll get a report like this. So this is my report, and you can export it. So when you click on export, the file will be downloaded, and you can see the downloaded file. Yeah. So this is how the report looks. Then you can print it on whatever you want. You can do it. So this is how to generate a report for a particular assignment or question in a Google Classroom. So got it? So if you understood, please like, share, and please subscribe my channel, and stay safe, stay home, and thanks for watching the video. Take care. Bye bye.